In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily remove the rear bumper on a Toyota Land Cruiser 100. Whether you're replacing a damaged bumper, doing body work, or simply disassembling your vehicle, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's start with the side of the bumper. Here you'll find the mounting screws. Remove them using a 10mm socket. Next, move underneath the bumper. There is one 13mm bolt that also needs to be removed. After that, you'll find 3 additional bolts on the bottom of the bumper. Remove all 3 of them, then repeat the exact same steps on the opposite side of the vehicle. Once all the bolts and screws have been removed, you can carefully pull the rear bumper away from the vehicle. It should come off easily without using excessive force. I hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to learn how to remove other parts from the Toyota Land Cruiser 100, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. I have many detailed step-by-step guides that will help you work on your Land Cruiser with confidence.